You're looking for an umbrella that's tiltable so the sun don't hit you and shine on you. It's foldable back up, easy to close down, fast and simple, and open up real fast, and you can hear the clicking with the stopper. And what we're going to do is show you what this umbrella is about. The company is called Furniedge. It is a 9-foot umbrella that opens up, that tilts, that comes in a number of colors. Do check online for the colors you are after. As we open up the box, show you how nicely they are packaged, protected with foam, and wrapped in plastic. We have the instruction guide and taking out the plastic casing. Aluminum pole in black with a set pin and a tie strap. This is a taupe color brown tan. Old and small umbrellas fade, and some umbrellas just don't lift up. Replacing umbrellas is easy as unscrewing the base, taking out, setting up the pole by placing in with the closed end to the hole in the center, and locking back down for wind security. Simply grab the umbrella to match the hole, press in, rotate to hear the snap. Pull the string, spread apart, and crank open. Chrome-like handle with the red and green symbol. So you can twist green clockwise to open, and we're going to rotate around to lock into place to the hole. As we crank open the 9-foot umbrella, we have a stopper on top that reaches, and we have air vents as well that goes through. Aluminum poles all around, 8 poles to be exact, and replaceable canopy tops. Check online for further details. Over here there is a button that you would press to rotate, and then adjust accordingly to the bottom to rotate around to angle for the sun, and lock into place. And when ready for closing, press up 90 degrees and lower down for closing. It is a wind resistant, a colorful umbrella, UV 50 protection of the sun. It is a fabric material, weather resistant. For those sunny days, fast to open. On rainy days, to protect from the rain, your umbrella. An overhead shot of the umbrella. As you can see, the top cap where the wind blows through, and the fabric and stitching of the 9-foot umbrella. In the backyard, patio, wherever you need to have shade on those sunny days, you have the umbrella that you can protect yourself from the sun. Tilt it around, and no more sun in the back. Enjoy your umbrella if this is right for you.